Good morning. Guess where I am? I don't know if I've showed my old room. I'm on my twin mattress. This beautiful background of a wall. I'm visiting for Christmas. We are just isolating. I mean, it is red zone right now currently, so there's so many regulations. So yeah, mini room tours. So this is my armoire. This is my old desk. This is where all the nightmares happened when I spent endless hours crying with the university homework that I did not finish. Anyway, I'm using it to edit my videos and make some beats. And then I have my old makeup vanity. This is outfit of the day. It's like my second day in a row wearing this. It's all good. I literally slept in this because I just flew in yesterday. I'm gonna put some footage in here of me flying in and my mom waiting. Also, this company sent me, it's called View Shield or something. They literally were just so nice to send me extra protection on the flight. So basically on the whole flight, I was just wearing this shield.
There's my girl. I wore my special earrings for you. They glow in the dark.
I'm literally gonna be wearing it every single flight anyway because it has a built-in SPF 50 shield, which is amazing, so you don't have to keep reapplying sunscreen. So that is amazing because obviously the sun is so strong when you're in the air and that could damage your skin in the long run. So especially if you're flying a lot. Anyway, I'll link them down below. Just a free shout out. Just kidding, I'm in love with the product. It's 11:47. I am about to eat something. I have not eaten anything today yet. I don't know if my family vegan proofed the kitchen for me. I'm probably gonna have to go later on just by myself to go to the grocery store, pick some stuff up. We'll see what we can find.
What's the name of this one? This is actually the better version.
Very nice. We got some oatmeals. Oh yes, I ate this on the plane. We don't even have bananas. What is this? Ooh, we have a green apple. Okay, we can work with this. We got peanut butter, the Jiffy, a very bad kind, but it's good for the soul. So I mean, there we go. And that's pretty much it. So this is what we are working with today. Till I could go shopping later. Woo! The party! Woo! Anyway, there we go. That's a bit more acceptable.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one.
Oh God.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna.
Okay, so I just finished eating that very filling of a breakfast. It was very improvisational at its finest. Trying on a mission to find a lighter because this smells so good. It smells like a tropical vacation. So anyway, that's a random side note, but I really want to light it up. Oh my God. Let's just say I'm tripping over everything and I really have to clean my room. Oh yeah. Romantic setting for me, for my homecoming, being able to relax. I'm just celebrating a new change in environment, being near people for once in my life. Just kidding. Well, actually, I'm not kidding. Life is good, life is simple, life is fresh. So just know that and remember that. But anyway, I'm gonna shower because yeah, I'm just a mess. Look at that, I'm just about to play The Sims. I am just content right now. Also, while I drink my infamous Karen Phytoplankton Karen. But yeah, it's marine phytoplankton. This is amazing if you want clear skin from the inside out. If you all know already, I'm working with this brand long term. I reached out to them because I was just looking for the cleanest, most best version of omega-3 because omega-3 is so important for clear skin, especially being on a vegan diet and not if you just want to up your omega-3 quality. This is amazing because this is where fish get their omega-3s. So instead of eating fish to basically just get this nutrients, why don't you just buy this right away? It's so much cheaper, it lasts forever. It's essentially the only thing you need in your life and diet. This has so many nutrients. I should even put the nutrients on here. But yeah, if you want to up your health game and skin game, this is literally the holy grail of that. So use code Sonia, I'll put it here for 20% off and also free shipping. They also ship internationally, but if you're having any shipping issues, I will leave the phone number down below and they are so kind, they will help you. And yes, only my subscribers will be getting that deal because I'm the first influencer that is working with them and only, so let's keep it that way. Just kidding. But anyway, yes, I will now shut up. So this was a fail. The annoying thing about gluten-free pasta is like you can't overcook it, because if you do, like it'll just shrivel up and look like that. And also it literally will all get stuck and create like a weird film on the bottom. So literally gluten-free pasta is annoying. But anyway, this is just a mixture of whole wheat and gluten-free, and then just a bit of broccoli, just because I'm just like, you know what, let's be a bit healthy today. I just want to take it easy and eat kind of comfort food today, because I'm just like, first day I'm back, I just want to chill out. And also my dad just ordered me a vegan pizza, so I will show you that. It's basically like all the vegetables, no cheese, and it's gonna be amazing. Hopefully. It better be. It depends, because now I'm like super critical of like the crust and sauce. If you don't have a good pizza sauce or crust, I literally will not like it, because obviously before you're vegan you're very critical of the cheese, but now since there's no cheese you gotta be critical of the sauce and the crust. Can't be any dry crusty crust, you know what I'm saying? The crust cannot be crusty. Anyway, I have some crackers just because I am just feeling comfort food, even though this is not even like a soup anymore, because like all the pasta absorbed it. But it's all good. It's so hot. But anyway, that's what I'm eating. I might just try my best to finish this, and then I'm gonna save room for pizza because I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna watch a Christmas movie with my family, so I'll probably show you if I eat anything like popcorn or something. But yeah, so far so good. Very chill day. I'm just taking it easy. I'm just cleaning, and yeah, I'll show you the pizza. I'm currently watching Stephanie Sue's like crazy stalker story time. I've never heard this before, but I'm very scared already, so we're gonna watch it. Okay, this is my brother. Hi. And yes, there we go. Hey. Oh my god, so good. The only thing that's missing is spinach and jalapeno peppers. That, oh my god. Those two things I think would make the pizza, but whatever, can't complain. It's just mushroom, tomato, onion. I think that's it. There's just like mushroom, tomato, and onion, but I'm fine with it. Everybody? My night is made. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. I'm so delightful. All the way home I'll be warm. Fire is slowly dying. To the world. Hey. Has come. Oh my god, my mom made me vegan gingerbread cookies. She's nodding her head. She's like, yep, that's right. For my girl. For my girl. Well, me. From my mom. Anyway, actually, it's kind of hard. Has it been in the fridge? It's frozen, Mom. I'll dip it in my tea. Oh my god, that's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Those are the hardest.
And we're gonna watch a Christmas movie now, so yeah. Christmas cookie. Woo! Christmas cookie with Christmas movie. I'm currently playing The Sims. I'm so excited, and I'm frankly very satisfied with life right now. I don't know what else to say other than thank you for watching. Sipping another tea, decaf, because it is way past my bedtime time. It is like 11 p.m. I'm just daredevil. I'm just so bad. But we are just going to go in buy mode, and I promise I will not use any cheat codes. I'm going to work hard for what I deserve, what I earn. Honestly, it's kind of fun that way until it's not, and then you have to use cheat codes so you get money. But anyway, whoever you're watching, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, day in my life. Yeah, have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post, and all my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. Please subscribe to that, as well as the Karen Phytoplankton. Go purchase some, and then I'll see you in the next video. Okay, lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.